Hey, what's good? I'm Sadia, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Sony SRS XB13 speaker and doing a sound test. But first, here's 10 seconds of ASMR unboxing. So, onto the speaker box. The front is clearly showing water splashes, so it's obviously waterproof. If that ain't a giveaway, it says it on the back. It's got an IP67 rating, so I'm happy with that because my last speaker, the XB10, was just water resistant and it got wet in the bathroom. It still works though, but the volume's a lot lower than it used to be, hence this upgrade. I'm really looking forward to testing out the extra bass. If a song has no bass, I don't want to hear it. Okay, 5 seconds of ASMR unboxing coming up. Paper, paper and more paper. A very thick booklet here, none of which I'll be paying any attention to as per, so let me just chuck them to a side. This is obviously the speaker, and of course the USB cable, which is USB-C. Nice. And the speaker. So I went with black this time as my XB10 was grey. It looks good, but boy am I not feeling this strap at all. Why did they make it so damn big? I think it looks horrible. Nice material though, but look how big it is. It looks like the speaker's got a ponytail. Of course it'll be handy if you want to tie it to a backpack or a bag or whatever, but nah, not for me, I'm taking it right off. Now it looks much better. Nice. And matte black, it looks really sleek. It's got rubberized buttons across it, but you still hear them when pressing them. The bottom is just, well, the bottom. Also rubberized for grip, and as you can see it's got the model number and the manufacturer details on there. On the side of the buttons you've got the DC in USB-C charging port, but I'd be gentle when opening it because it doesn't feel very supported. The little support here feels quite flimsy, but other than that this is a solid little speaker. It's nice and compact and it fits nicely into the palm of my hands. In fact, for size comparison, here's a delicious can of Red Bull. So the XBS13 is like just over half the height of a Red Bull can. 2/3 of it I guess. So it's definitely got that portable factor, being wireless too. It's basically my shower and holiday speaker. As for its circumference, it's much bigger than the slim Red Bull can, but you get the idea. It's a good size and it's slightly bigger than the XBS10. Still, it packs a punch. Let me turn it on and run a sound test. In pairing mode, the Bluetooth light flashes blue. Once connected, you can see it's a solid blue light. Alright, sound test coming, so I'll be quiet for 30 seconds. And yes, you can listen to it whilst it's charging, which is a bonus. Obviously the sound you're hearing from my iPhone mic is going to be slightly different to hearing it in real life. That and also the fact that the YouTube copyright free music is just terrible. It genuinely doesn't sound as good as when I listen to my R&B, hip hop and rap songs. The bass is just incredible. That's always the case with speakers though, the sound quality and bass will always be dependent on the song that you're listening to. But overall though, I'm very happy with my upgrade. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you did, and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thank you for watching. Peace.